Good morning, Sister Carolina, Teacher Sabrina, and friends. My name is Sean. Today I will present about the family's favorite food. This is my family. This is my dad, my mom, my sister, and me. My father likes mango. My mother likes strawberries. My sister likes grape. And I like oranges. That's all my presentation about the family's favorite food. Thank you for your attention, Sister Carolina.